Chocolate is one of the world's most loved foods. Yummy, smooth, rich, and impossible to resist. Every chocolate bar begins its journey on tropical cocoa farms near the equator.
Cocoa pods grow directly from the tree, each containing 30 to 50 precious cocoa beans.
Farmers harvest the ripe pods by hand to protect the delicate beans inside. Inside the pod are beans covered in sweet pulp, lever, the foundation of chocolate.
The beans are fermented for several days, a critical step that develops chocolate's signature flavor.
Next, the beans are dried under the sun to reduce moisture and prepare them for transport.
After traveling thousands of miles, the beans arrive at advanced manufacturing facilities.
First, machines thoroughly clean the beans to remove stones, dust, and impurities.
Roasting unlocks the deep aroma we associate with chocolate.
The roasted beans are cracked open, leaving behind cocoa nibs, pure chocolate essence.
Grinding transforms nibs into cocoa liquor, a rich, flowing paste.
Sugar, milk, and sometimes vanilla are added to create different chocolate varieties.
Chocolate is refined for hours, sometimes days up, to achieve perfect smoothness.
Tempering carefully controls temperature, giving chocolate its shine and satisfying snap.
The liquid chocolate is poured into molds to form the bars we recognize.
Cooling solidifies the chocolate into perfectly shaped bars. Modern factories can wrap thousands of bars every hour.
Strict quality checks ensure every bite meets high standards.
From tropical farms to factory precision, chocolate is a masterpiece of science and craftsmanship.